Okay, this week we learned a word about youth, and I have a different version for you. In Master Azerbaijani word of the day, you have the word Gənc. Gənc. Gənc is young, youth, or junior. Let's see some phrases. Young talent. Gənc istedad. I believe istedad is a loan word, highly likely from Arabic or Persian. Young culture. Gənc mədəniyyəti. Mədəniyyət also a loan word. Junior team. Gənc komanda. There's another loan word for you. Komanda, team. Let's take a look at some sentences. Müsabiqədə parlayan gənc istedad layihəsini elə təqdim etdi ki, zalda hamı ayağa qalxıb alqışladı. The young talent who shone in the competition presented the project so well that everyone in the hall stood up and applauded. Let's see. Müsabiqədə parlayan gənc istedad, the young talent who shone in the competition, layihəsini elə təqdim etdi ki, presented the project so well, zalda hamı ayağa qalxıb alqışladı. That everyone in the hall stood up and applauded. Okay? Let's take a look at another sentence. Məşqçi ən gənc komandaya güvənərək risk etdi. Amma onlar çətin rəqibə qarşı soyuqqanlı oynayıb oyunun gedişini dəyişdilər. For those sport enthusiasts, let's see. The coach took a risk by trusting the youngest team, but they played calmly against a tough opponent and changed the course of the game. Məşqçi, the coach, ən gənc komandaya güvənərək risk etdi. Took a risk by trusting the youngest team. Amma onlar, but they, çətin rəqibə qarşı soyuqqanlı oynayıb, they played calmly against the tough opponent, oyunun gedişini dəyişdilər and changed the course of the game. All right. Now, today's word was Gənc, and that was just the regular, straightforward uses. Yeah, I have a dad joke use for you too. I'm mentoring a Gänc who thinks emails is vintage. All right. Now, if you're interested in learning Azerbaijani deeper, I have Master Azerbaijani app available Google Store and Apple Store, where Module 1 is completely free. That will help you give foundations and set you up success. However, for deeper grammatical, cultural, historical, and learning tips context, I have masterazerbaijani.com, where I've been posting since November 2025, and you might find it useful and helpful as well. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new word. Cheers.